Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix cannot connect to App Store or unable to connect App Store. So guys, if you want to download any app from App Store and facing this type of problem, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, go back, open your settings, click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your device. So if not connected, then go back, click on mobile data and make sure that your mobile data is on. So after doing this, go back, scroll down, and here is the option of general. Click here and click on software update and make sure that your iPhone or iPad is updated to latest iOS version. So after doing this, go back, scroll down and click on date and time and make sure that you are selected set automatically. So make sure that is on, and after this go back, scroll down and click on VPN and device management and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. So after doing this, go back, scroll down, and here is the option of transfer and reset iPhone. Click here and click on reset and click on reset network setting. So here you need to put your password to reset network setting. So after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So go and check that your problem is fixed or not. So if not fixed, then go back, scroll it down, and here is the option of App Store. So you need to click here, scroll down and click on personalized recommendations. So you need to click here and here is the option of clear app usage data. So you need to click here and click on clear app usage data. So after doing this, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open your app store smoothly. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.